Hello chemistry class, it's Mr. Ng, and I wanted to go through one of the sample problems involving Boyle's law in the book. Boyle's law is all about pressure and volume, and how pressure and volume are related. P1 times V1 is equal to P2 times V2. Basically, it means that a balloon under low pressure, right? Think about a balloon, and if it goes into space, the balloon gets really big in space. Right here's a stars. But then if you put the balloon somewhere where there's a lot of high pressure, like under the water, the balloon gets really small, right? So low pressure, balloon gets huge, high pressure, balloon gets small. And now we just have to use this equation and do some math with it. So here, our problem says a sample of oxygen gas has a volume of 150 milliliters. I'm going to label this V1 because it's a volume. I mean, it says it right there. At a pressure of 0.97, 0.947 atm, this is pressure 1. What will the volume of the gas be at a pressure of 1 atm? So this is pressure 2, and that's standard pressure, STP. So all I got to do is plug in. So my equation, this is step 1, I'm going to put in my equation. P1 times V1 is equal to P2 times V2. And then number 2, I'm going to start plugging in. So V1 is 150 mils. So instead of V1, I'm going to write 150 milliliters. And then here's P1, 0.947 atm, 0.947 atm times, all right, that's a little messy, but I hope you could see that. And then finally, P2 is 1 atm, 1.1234 atm. And the only variable we have is V2 times V2, right? So now it's just simple algebra. If I want to get V2 by itself, if I want to solve for V2, I'm just going to divide both sides by 1.000 atm. 1.000 atm. Right? So if you were to plug this into the calculator, you should get 142 milliliters. Notice that this unit atm cancels out, and the only unit that is left is milliliters. Pretty easy, right? So all you got to do is go through the problem, identify what the variables are, plug into our nifty equation, PV is equal to PV, and then you just solve. Thanks a lot for watching.